Hey everyone, welcome to Let's Go Outdoors. I'm Michael Short. You know, as spring sweeps across Alberta, it's not just the wildflowers and warmer temperatures returning to the backcountry. Bears are back too. And with them comes an important reminder for anyone venturing into the outdoors. We share this landscape, and safety starts with awareness. Alberta Forestry and Parks, along with Public Safety and Emergency Services, have issued a province-wide advisory as black bears and grizzlies begin emerging from hibernation. Now, these animals, often with cubs in tow, are hungry, mobile, and increasingly likely to cross paths with humans, especially as they search for food in a landscape still lean on natural forage. Unsecured garbage, pet food, compost, birdseed, even decorative fruit can all attract as an open invitation. The best way to avoid a bear in your camp is not to attract one in the first place. You should pay a special attention to areas around lake shores, creeks, berry patches, and dense bush. These are prime feeding and travel areas for bears. Limited visibility can also lead to surprise encounters. I would also strongly encourage you, if you are relatively new to the backcountry, to look into the potential of taking a bear safety course, and some of these are available down in the Crow's Nest area. Now, if you do run into a bear on your day out and about, and you do have an encounter with one, you can report it. In Kananaskis country, call 403-591-7755. And anywhere else in the province, you can contact Fish and Wildlife Enforcement at 1-800-642-3800. Ultimately, safety in bear country comes down to preparation, respect, and responsibility. It's about enjoying the outdoors while doing your part to ensure both you and the bears stay safe. Till next time, I'm Michael Short. Come on, let's go outdoors.